Yes, this website pays you to watch videos. It sounds fake, but it's real and it's powered by AI. What it is, the platform is called Inbox Dollars Watch. It uses AI to recommend videos in different categories: news, trailers, ads, lifestyle, and rewards you for simply watching. You don't need to create content or upload anything. Just watch and earn. How it works. Step by step. Here's how it works. Sign up free using your email. Choose the Watch tab from the menu. Pick the video playlist. I recommends one based on your interests. Hit play and let the playlist run. Earn points as you watch, which you can cash out via PayPal or gift cards. Each playlist is ad-supported, so they get paid and share a portion with you. Who is this for? This won't make you rich, but it's great for stay-at-home parents and students. Anyone who wants to earn passively while chilling. You can even run the videos in the background while multitasking. Final thoughts, it's one of the easiest ways to get paid online. No uploads, no editing, just watch and earn. Try Inbox Dollars Watch free, links below. And if you want a full walkthrough or more tools like this, subscribe and comment below.